it with another sticker haul. This one is from Pink Polka Dot Lily. Love, love, love her packaging. It came in this beautiful little pink polka dot. Isn't that cute? And it says, warning, this package contains pretty things, but I had to open it. It says pretty things, and I must. So, then it came in this beautiful little pink envelope. It has like shimmery paper. Isn't that beautiful? Look at that. So pretty. And then opening it up, I got this during the TPC sale, I believe. And so it came with a bunch of freebies. And it says the next TPC sale is June 6th through the 10th. But look at this polka dot. Look at the holographic. Isn't that beautiful? Foils. And on a watermelon to boot. That is so cool. And then this one, Happy Mail Day Off. You got this, girl. Planner, bow, Happy Mail, I think I said that. Another bow and pink polka dot. Lily. Her stuff is so beautiful. Then another freebie. It says, Mommy Daughter Time. You got this, girl. 3 bow check list, a bow, emails, and then just a laptop. And I used Olga's name. So look at that. Isn't that pretty? Look at all the colors shining through that. It's gorgeous. And then this is Cats and Lemon stickers freebie. It was pool day, popsicle, picnic, relax, and beach day. Inspire Ever Afters freebie. Beach weekend and off to the beach. PS sticker codes was this one. I love the lemon. Planning with Manny. Always so cute. BEPD freebie. Beyond Paper Flowers. Craft Penguin Planner. Crafty Tatted Mama. The Sticker Patch. Avalon and Ninth. Tipsy Dog Designs. I tried to be good, but I got bored. That's funny. I need to teach my facial expressions how to use their inside voice. That's cute. And then Groovy Knees. So I got a lot of awesome samplers. That was so cool. Thank you. And then I ordered, you see she has everything so nice with a little piece of pink tissue paper and everything. I ordered the weather icons in silver foil. How beautiful. And then also in light gold. Look at those. Look how they shine. Look at them shine. Those are beautiful. And then I also ordered the foiled Hobonichi weekly kit, and it's hydrangea. So that one's this one, and it comes with the days of the weeks. And then your Post-it notes, some icons, which are a car, dog, grocery cart, heart, cleaning, laundry, money, phone, clock, house, trash, and gift. And then laundry, mail, a bow, next week, day off, this week, payday, family time, a laptop, and then bow checks lists, and then movie marquee, it looks like, then like some quarter boxes, and then your washies. You get your bottom washi and your top washi. Isn't that beautiful? Look at that. And then I got this hobo kit. It's Hot Pink Kisses. And it's in the holographic, it looks like. And it has the same. The days of the week, the Post-it notes, all the icons, the bottom washi. This is absolutely stunning. It is so stunning. Wow. This is amazing. All right, so that is what I got from Pink Polka Dot Lily. Please go check her out. Her stuff is absolutely gorgeous. I mean, gorgeous. Even down to her samples, her freebies. So go check her out. Hope you liked this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already subscribed and hit that bell. Add yourself to PlannerNina_Cricket, and I hope to see you back here real soon. Talk with you later. Bye-bye.